Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about a very interesting topic, a topic that will literally change the way that you look at finance and give you the financial freedom that you always wanted, where you can break away from the 9 to 5 and become financially independent. And obviously to do that, you need to understand exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it. And that is why we have brought this video to you, because we're going to go in great detail and talk about the strategy that you need to acquire to start becoming a dropshipping business on Shopify. Now, the global e-commerce website, the platform that where you can build your business and sell online, offline, and everywhere in between is Shopify. And you can discover why millions of entrepreneurs right now are choosing Shopify to build their business. And obviously the reason why they're doing it, because the Shopify element over here gives you an opportunity that is very unique. And the best thing that I personally feel is when you have millions of merchants using a platform to sell their products, you can learn from the mistakes that they've made. You can learn from what they have done right and obviously apply those particular strategies onto your business so you could also become a successful entrepreneur. With availability in 170 countries and a total US e-commerce of 10% and a global economical activity of $444 billion, this is literally the biggest platform that you can utilize and harness its power to become a reliable and obviously financial independent individual. You can create a store and bring your vision to life with a drag and drop store creator, and you don't need any coding expertise whatsoever. You can select from customizable templates that are created by a community of world-class designers. You can add more features and functionalities to your online store with apps that are built by trusted Shopify developers. And the reason why I always recommend individuals to go for Shopify is because the support, the assistance, and the guidance the platform gives you is absolutely brilliant. You can sell to every single buyer everywhere. You can sell online, you can sell in person and around the world with the marketing tools and social integration and sales channels that you would need to get your product in front of customers. And guys, at the end of the day, we live in a 21st century where social media and social integration are one of the most important elements. And when you can bring your audience to your shop and make them loyal customers, that is a true financial freedom that you can achieve and sell the products that they want. And obviously we'll go in great detail. I'm going to talk about how you can find the right product in a second. But before we head over there, I want to show you and give you the complete breakdown of the best converting checkout on the planet, because they will support you with flexible points of sale to power your retail store from the first touch to the full funnel, because you can reach new leads, engage with customers, data that you can build on, and you can streamline your back office from overseeing your operations and fulfilling every single order. And the best thing that I feel is that you can manage your money where you make it. It is truly that unique and that simple. If you don't have a Shopify account, guys, don't worry. Click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days, because I'm here to support you, to assist you, and to guide you. And obviously once you've done it, one of the things I personally feel is absolutely brilliant about Shopify is its support, because the help you need and when you need it is available. From the blog where you get all the marketing and business strategy tips so you need to help you run an online business, and their online courses where you can learn tried and tested business tips with instant access from successful entrepreneurs, a community that you can connect with on a community of brands, partners, and fellow merchants who understand Shopify, and you can find answers with a dedicated help desk resource full of articles and videos from their support team. And I believe that is literally the cornerstone of success, and that is one of the reasons and dominating factor why Shopify has become a massive power in the industry. Now, once you have started your store, once you have created your store, and obviously I've gone in great detail in other videos that are available on my channel where I show you how to create a store. So if you want to know how to do that, always head over and check out the channel. But once you've done it, all you need to do is head over to aliexpress.com, because aliexpress.com is one of those places where you can find absolutely brilliant items, where you can find absolutely amazing bargains, where you can find absolutely amazing elements that you can sell and products that you can get and sell to your customers. And what we need to do is check out the categories. Today, I'm going to talk about a very special category, a category that we believe we've done a lot of research in selecting. And that is the reason I brought this video to you, because if you want to become a successful drop shipping business, you need to understand the products that you need to sell. You need to select the right products. And that's why I'm bringing you this particular category, which is jewelry and watches. Now, once I click on jewelry, you'll see all the other elements that are available. And these are amazing products that are available, and you can make a lot of profit from them. And how do you find out which one to get? All you need to do is click on orders. And as you click on orders, you'll be able to see the quantities that are being sold. This particular product has been sold 11,241 times for $6.79. This has been sold for 7,935 times for $2.80. This ring for $22 have been sold 7,285 times. And obviously this is an opportunity of a lifetime. This particular item has been sold for $1 5,330 times. This individual has made $5,000 off this one product. If you can select 2 or 3 products, you can make a lot of profit. And that is what I say to people, because you got to make sure that you find the right product at the right price. But the element that I'm going to talk about right now is the customization that you can get. And obviously with customization and a jewelry that goes with customization, you can make a lot of profit. For $2.99, 3,000 have been sold. And obviously for $1.02, 2,691 have been sold. And this is an opportunity that you can take and hold. And obviously whenever you give these items to your fellow audience, they will absolutely love them, because there is always a market for these particular products. Now there's 2 different types of products. One is a need and one is a want. And obviously once you find the actual middle ground for a want and a need, you can successfully become a successful dropshipper, because when you select a product that is a need but develop it and give it as a want, you can make a lot of money. And it's for that reason I'm going to introduce the second website, which is Alibaba.com. This is a particular website which is very unique, guys. And the reason why this is so unique is because it cuts out the middleman. It takes you directly to the manufacturer. It takes you directly to the suppliers. Let me show you how, and let me show you why. If we search for the same particular product that we were actually searching on AliExpress, we will be able to see the price difference that's available when we directly source it from the manufacturer themselves. As you can clearly see, there is a huge price difference. This particular product is worth 98 cents. This particular product is worth 30 cents. If this particular product is $1.85, this particular product is for 10 cents, and this is for 51 cents. If you can easily get this product from here and sell it on your Shopify account, you can make a massive profit. You can clearly see the prices over here displayed on AliExpress: $3, $9, $4, $5, but they're getting it directly from the source for 10 cents, 50 cents, 60 cents, and making a massive profit on top of it. It is that easy, it is that simple, it is that straightforward, guys. All you need to do is understand, and once you understand the strategy and once you implement the strategy, you'll be able to execute the strategy flawlessly. These particularly 18-karat gold-plated twisted earrings is for $1.30. You can easily sell this for $14.99 or even $19.99. And imagine if you sold 1,000 of these, how much profit you're going to be making. Imagine if you sold 10,000 of these, how much profit you're going to be making. And all you need to do is get these products and put them on your Shopify and start selling it. It is as simple, straightforward, and easy as that. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can always ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. If you have not subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family so more people can find out the right product to select and sell on your Shopify. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.